Hello everyone. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ardiansah, student ID number 20073002. In this video, I want to presentation about the alternator. What it is alternator? The alternator is also known as a dynamo. Dynamo itself is a tool or component of a power plant that is in very motor vehicle, including cars. This is because electrical is an important component in these vehicles. Here, the alternator or dynamo acts as a power generation for all component in the car that require electrical power. Component in vehicle that require electrically. For example, such as lights, car air conditioners, car tap and wipers. To turn on or make this component work properly, an electrical power is needed. This is done by a device that can generate supply electrical power, which is called an alternator. What material alternator? The most part, the alternator are relatively small and lightweight, roughly the size of a coconut. The alternators found in most passenger cars and light trucks are construction using an aluminum outer housing. As the lightweight metal does not magnetize, this is important since aluminum dispenses the tremendous heat generation by producing the electrical power, and since the rotor assembly products as magnetic field. What function alternator? At this point, you might start to ask, what actually is the function of alternator? In accordance with the understanding of the alternator as a means of generating electrical for motor vehicle components that require electrical power. The function of this alternator is a spoiler. It is the alternator that functions as spoiler of electrically to all components in the car. Here, the alternator can function as long as the motor vehicle engine is on, so the new alternator can function when the engine is turned on. Component in alternator. As already explained, this alternator can work when the engine is turned on, while the alternator itself can work because of the components in it. The component then support the work of the alternator basically consists of component alternator number 1, alternator cover. This section is where all the alternator components. Its function is as a cooling device to prevent the engine from overheating, being damaged or burning. Component number 2, pulley alternator. This tool is happen like a wheel. That wheel be continued to the bell, which is cause the pulley to rotate and rotate the rotor oil inside. Number 3, bearing. This is the fulcrum of the ends of the rotor coils to rotate. This bearing also has more than one. Parts number 4, regulator. This regulator has a very important function. Through the regulator, the voltage generated by the alternator remains stable even though the RPM rises rapidly. With this tool, the machine will not be damaged quickly due to fluctuation in electrical voltage. Component number 5, diode. The voltage generated by the alternator is usually an alternating current. Through this diode, electrical current can be converted into direct current which will flow the component that require electrically. Okay, last component, number 6, aerator. This tool is in the form of a coil that functions to convert magnetic energy into electrical energy. The electrical energy products will be processed and cancelled to the brush and diode. How does the alternator work? The alternator works by relying on components that are in the alternator itself. Here, the alternator can work when the engine is started. From here, the components in the alternator begin to perform their respective function. The first, when the engine starts, the alternator pulley starts to work and rotate the rotor coil inside. Here, the diode will then convert the resulting alternative voltage into direct voltage. The resulting voltage will be applied to battery. The voltage generated is usually unstable. This can result in damage to the engine because the engine can become hot, catch fire, and also overheat. Here, the regulator functions to stabilize the electrical voltage generated with the help of a rectifier and a fan that produces air circulation. Common problem in the alternators. The alternator makes a loud noise, overcast or overcharged, burned smell, indicator light is on. How to maintain and repair alternator? Immediately repair damaged alternator component so as not to cause damage to other component. For example, if an overcharge, of course, the IC, diode, and the rectifier must be checked. If it flashes, then there is no battery charging, and there could be damage to alternator component. Immediately check the vehicle at the nearest workshop. Thank you for watching my presentation. See you next video.